Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I know I normally don't do videos on Tuesdays, so it's just a real quick impromptu to say hello, see how everybody is doing. I hope everybody liked the video from yesterday. I had a blast making it over the weekend, beating the guys in Denver. So I thought of something last night or the night before when I was making that video. Why don't we feature some of the FPV pilots or pilots that watch the channel? I think that would be really cool to help out some of the smaller channels or some of the unknown FPV guys. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and do either a weekly or a bi-weekly feature video of your FPV for me. So what I need you to do for me, it's going to be really simple. Just send me a clip of like 20 to like 30 seconds, a minute at the very most, of your best FPV footage. Now, if you just have a toy drone, I don't care. If you have, you know, a beginner FPV drone, I don't care. If you got DJI, I don't care. Whatever your FPV video is, if you want it featured on the channel, just send it to me. And just send it to my new email address that I just set up. So it is fpvevilmunkey@gmail.com. So you can send that to me directly. Try, if you can, if the video footage is no more than 1080/60. I can't render 4K on my computer. It just won't handle it. So I can't render anything in 4K. I can render it, but it looks really horrible on my computer. Hopefully on Black Friday I can get a better computer and be able to render some better stuff. So, but I got some more videos coming for you guys this week. I've got a brand new product that is out on the market. I think you guys are really gonna love it. I think it's really going to revolutionize the way we do things with drones. I can't say exactly what it is, but it's a really well-made product, and I'm hoping I will have that video out for you guys on Friday, I believe, somewhere around there. Friday at the very latest, I hope. But I did get a chance to test the long range out, so that video should be coming out tomorrow. I didn't have the Super 8 antenna yet, but I was able to test it in a nice wide open field, and you'll just have to see the results from that tomorrow. So anyway, guys, if you want to be featured on the FPV Evil Monkey channel, please send your 20 to 30 second clips over to fpvevilmunkey@gmail.com. Try to make them no longer than about a minute long. You can edit them, that's fine. Just please don't add any music to them. I will try and add music just because of copyrights and things like that on YouTube. So I'll add music and I'll do the best job I can for you guys. If there's a specific style of music that you want on your clip, let me know, and I'll try and find something out there comparable that I can put on YouTube that is not copyright infringement. So anyway, guys, let me know. I'll be looking forward to those clips, and then I don't know if I can put a video out this week, but we'll try and start doing that next week. So guys, that's all I've got for today. I hope you have a wonderful week. The weather here in Colorado has been extremely cold and really sucky. So, but anyway, guys, thank you so much again, and have an awesome day.